Hi, Em here from Aunt Em's Quilt and Em's Scrap Bag. I ended up with a lot of bonus half square triangles when I made the quilt behind me. It's the twisted rail fence. The tutorial is here on my channel in case you would like to make one of your own. But what was I going to do with all these bonus half square triangles? Well, I came up with a fun idea. So this is a half square triangle block. It makes diamonds. You could make a whole quilt using this. You could do alternate blocks with it. It also makes a fun border or add it to the back of the quilt where you got the bonus half square triangles. Lots of fun ideas to do with this block. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To make your half square triangle diamonds, you're going to want some half square triangles. I have these left over, but you can use one of my tutorials. I will put a link to those down below, or you can use your favorite method. If you have bonus ones that you've cut off, this is a great way to use them. We're going to take one this way, and it makes the diamond. And to make it a square, it's going to go the same way. The green here, and we'll sew that together. And that will make your half square triangle diamond block. It's fun to combine them. It makes a cute border. Or use it on the back of your quilt if you're using the bonus half square triangles. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.